Okay, question number 1. Basa ha, read. Okay, what are people who live in China called? What is the answer? Chinese. Okay, Chinese. Number 2 question. Okay, in China there is a very long. What is the correct answer? Okay, the Great Wall of China. Kinsay naka-correct sa answer? Okay, so next, number 3. Okay, the wall is the longest in the whole world. What is the correct answer? Okay, world. Wall in the whole world. Tibuok kalibutan. Okay, kinsay naka-correct sa number 3? Okay, very good. Next, number 4 question. Okay, China. Okay, check. Kinsay naka-correct? Okay, yes. Number 5. Okay, the correct answer is? Father. Okay, so kinsay naka-perfect? 5 question only. Sayon jud kay na. Okay, so very good. Kaya nakasabot mo sa inyong gibasa.